To buy a Steam gift card with Bitcoin, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Bitcoin wallet with a sufficient amount of Bitcoins to make the purchase. If you do not have a Bitcoin wallet, create one on a reputable exchange or wallet provider. Next, find a reputable online retailer that accepts Bitcoin as a payment method for Steam gift cards. Some popular options include Bitrefill and Gift. Navigate to the website of your chosen retailer and select the Steam gift card you want to purchase. Choose the denomination of the gift card and add it to your cart. Proceed to the checkout page, where you will be asked to select your payment method. Choose Bitcoin as your payment option and you will be provided with a Bitcoin address to send your payment to. Open your Bitcoin wallet and send the required amount of Bitcoins to the provided address. Ensure you use the correct address to avoid losing your funds. The transaction may take a few minutes to confirm, depending on the Bitcoin network. Once the transaction is confirmed, the retailer will send you the Steam gift card code via email. You can then redeem the code on the Steam website by logging into your account, clicking on your profile name, and selecting account details. Click on Add Funds to your Steam wallet and enter the gift card code. The funds will be added to your Steam wallet, and you can use them to purchase games, in-game items, and other content on the Steam platform. Always ensure you are using a reputable retailer and follow best practices to secure your Bitcoin wallet and Steam account.